Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to order products from our website. So you just go here to products. Here on this page, you're going to see all the products that we offer, but on the left side, you're going to see product categories. So it's really easy to filter out the products that you need. So let's say we need a HSS drill. We just click here, and then here you have all the options. So let's say we want a normal HSS drill uncoated. We just go here and then select the diameter. Let's say we want diameter 14. Just go here and then quantity. Let's say we want 5. Add to cart. That's it. So let's say we want a HSS drill with 5% cobalt, a diameter 10. We just go here and select diameter 10. Here we have the price, €8. Quantity 3, add to cart. So that's it. Then if we want, let's say we want also a milling head, we want the turbo mill, which is the fastest milling head that we offer on our website. We just go here, view details, and we select the diameter, let's say diameter 100. And here we just select the quantity, let's say 1. And here we can also see this is the compatible milling insert. We just can click here and we select the size. So it's 12 and the grade is SG20. So this is for steel and stainless. And then just select 50, let's say 50. That's it. So we also want the Lunapo insert, which is the 90 grade insert for finish operations. We just go here, select 15 and grade. Let's say we want for stainless steel and select the quantity 50 pieces. Then we also want the milling head, which is here. And we just choose the diameter. Let's say we want the diameter, I don't know, let's say 40. This one has no length because it doesn't have a shank. If it would have a shank, here we can select it. So yeah, let's say 40 and add to cart. We also can add this to our wish list. So the items that we order the most, it's here. And yeah, so next time you go here, you just click favorites and you can also add it to cart. So let's say that's it and we want to finish our order. We just go here, submit order confirmation. We check the prices, everything looks good, so we submit. Then we just wait for our supplier to verify the prices and the stock, which takes roughly a couple of hours. So in this example, I already confirmed the inquiry, so we just can go here and proceed to payment. And here it is, we select credit card or SEPA. So here you can see our subtotal price, our shipping price, our international handling fee, which is the bank fee that takes the transfer, and the total price. So this total price that you see here is the price you pay. You don't have any additional paperwork with customs or import duties or anything else. You get this order delivered straight to your address. That's it. No strings attached. Yeah, that's it. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.